Good morning, standard 10 students. Right. Chapter 14. This is related to the equation of a straight line. So there are many equations of a straight line, but you have to study only three. Rest of the equation of a straight line you will study in higher classes in 11th and 12th. So out of the three, one you have already studied in standard 9. So once again we call this one. What is the first one? This is x-axis and y-axis. This is origin. Okay. AB is a line, a straight line of course. Right. The AB line makes the angle in positive direction with the x-axis only. If a line makes angle with the positive x-axis in positive direction. Positive direction means anti-clockwise. Is known as the positive direction. Right? Is known as slope. Right? And this slope is denoted by m. This slope is denoted by m. This is equal to tan theta. Means when theta given 45 degree, what is the slope? We will put tan 45, that is 1. When theta given 60 degree, we will find the slope after putting the value. The tan 60, that is root 3. So slope is root 3. So slope equal to denoted by m. It is equal to tan theta, and it is also known as gradient. Gradient, and also y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. When we will use this y2 minus y1? When two coordinates are given. Suppose example, A coordinate given 1, 2 and B coordinate given 2 minus 3. We have to find the slope. So when two coordinates are given, we have to find the slope. We will use this form. So any one we will take x1 y1 and any one we will take x2 y2. So suppose this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Then to find the slope, what this form we will use? So y2 minus 3 minus y1 minus 2 x2 2 minus 1. What is slope? Minus 5 by 1, that is minus 5. So slope is minus 5. So when two coordinates are given, we will use this form to find the slope. So slope is equal to m is equal to, also known as tan theta. It is also known as gradient, and that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now this is about the slope. Now what is y-intercept? This line AB cuts on y-axis, this much portion. This is known as y-intercept. Hey, and this is denoted by C, small c. This is known as y-intercept. The first equation you have studied in 9, y is equal to mx plus c. When you will write any equation of a straight line, means this is the standard form, ax plus by is equal to c. This is the standard form of any equation of a straight line. And you have studied in 8 and 9, when we draw, suppose 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. When we draw this one on a graph paper, we are getting a straight line. It means this type of equation always represent a straight line. Is it clear? So this type of equation always represent a straight line. And this is the standard form of equation of a straight line, maybe plus and minus. Then seeing this, a, b, c is constant, maybe 2, 3, 5, any digit. But x, y is the variable. So any equation of a straight line, there will be the variable x and y will be there always. Right? So first equation of a straight line that we have studied, y is equal to mx plus c, that is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope made by the line in the with the x-axis in positive directions, and c is the y-intercept by the line. Now what use of this one. Use when slope given. First use m given 1. Suppose root 3 given and c given -2. Find the equation of the line. How will find? Put this value in the equation. Y m is root 3x and c is -2. This is our answer. Now see, this is the equation of a straight line. X and y is out there. It will be always there. Second use of this form to find the slope and y-intercept. How? Example. xy2 minus yy3 is equal to given 5. Find the equation, find the slope and y-intercept of this straight line. Find the slope and y-intercept of this straight line. So first of all, we will solve and write this equation in a standard form. Standard form is ax plus by is equal to c. So 6 3y minus 2y is equal to 5. 3y minus 2y is equal to 30. Means 3y minus 30 is equal to 2y. Means y is equal to 3 by 2y minus 30 by 2. Means 50. 8. So, solving here, y is equal to 3 by 2, y minus 50. After writing in this form, y is equal to mx plus c, 8. We will compare with this equation. So, compare y is equal to mx plus c, 8. When we compare, in place of m, there is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. The slope of this line is 3 by 2 and y-intercept is minus 50. So we have two use of this equation to find the slope and y-intercept after comparing, and when slope and y-intercept given to find the equation of line. Besides this, there are two more equations of a straight line. Second one, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. This is second equation. Third one, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. This is third equation. 8. Where you will use this one? So x and y will be always there in any equation. Then what is it? M is the slope. And what is x1 y1? x1 y1 is the 1 point. In third, x and y will be always there. Then x1 y1, what is x1 y1, x2 y2? 2 points. So when slope and 1 point given, we will use the second equation. When 2 points given, we will use the third equation. Example say, first, question number 4, 14c. 4 given, 1 point given, 5, 4. And makes an angle 60 degree. Slope given. 60 degree given means tan 60 root 3. So slope is root 3 and 1 point is 5, 4. We have to find the equation of the line. How to find the equation of a line? Which form we will use? Second one. Slope and y-intercept is also here. So we will use the second equation. So second, y minus 1 point is given, slope root 3. 1.54. 4 m is root 3 x minus 5. This one. Write in the standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c form. That will be your answer. Now, when 2 points are given, 2 points, say 2, 6 and q minus 3, 5. 2 points are given, we have to find the equation of a straight line. Then we will use the third equation, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Anyone we can suppose x1 y1 and anyone we can suppose x2 y2. Now 2 points are given. Put this value in the equation. y1 minus 6, y2 5 minus 6, y1 x2 minus 3, x1 minus 2, x minus 2. Simplify it. Don't leave in the fraction form. After simplifying, always write in the form x plus dy is equal to c. That is the equation of a straight line. Do you follow? So, these are three equations are there which you have to solve the question. X-intercept means y-coordinate will be 0. Y-intercept means x-coordinate will be 0. See question number 15, 14c. X-coordinate, x-intercept 5 means x-coordinate will be 0, y-coordinate will be 0. So one coordinate 5, 0. And y-intercept 3 means x-coordinate will be 0, y value is 3. Now two coordinates are there. Suppose x1, y1 and this one x2 by 2. Put on the formula y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. And write the equation, that is the equation of a straight line. Thank you very much. So, hope you can solve this 14c exercise. Right?